For some, the calling of a life of service begins at an early age. For others, the desire to give back may arrive after retirement or as an idea from a friend. So we kick off our Remarkable Women series. This week's finalist is an Owensboro native who has spent years devoting countless hours to making sure the hospital's mission thrives. Meet Carrie Holland.
It just got me out of the house and gave me something to do, and I could help others.
After Carrie Holland's husband, James, passed away in 2005, a friend suggested she start volunteering at Owensboro Health Regional Hospital. Holland signed up and has been a staple at the hospital ever since.
I answered the phone on the information desk. I would help out with the surgery, waiting, where they sign in patients and things.
Carrie spends 8 hours a day, 3 days a week volunteering.
Well, they said I was part-time.
When Carrie isn't working in the office, helping with auxiliary sales or taking calls, she spends time here in the gift shop.
You get to see a lot of people and everything. You get to see all this new stuff they bring in because they sell a little bit of everything in that gift shop.
Carrie says she enjoys assisting visitors to pick out the perfect gift for a patient.
It's nice to be able to help them. They'll come down there and maybe they got someone in the hospital and they want to give them, you know, get them a little something.
Not only does Carrie help others in the hospital, but volunteering has allowed her to connect with the community in a new way.
Companionship and being with other people. I'm a widow.
Surrounded by her Owensboro Health blanket at home, Carrie has spent the majority of the past year waiting patiently to return to the hospital. The pandemic has forced her and others to wonder when they will volunteer again.
Very depressing at times because you got to keep yourself occupied.
The 79-year-old plans to head back to Owensboro Health as soon as she's allowed. As far as being a finalist for Remarkable Women,
Did what?
while she appreciates being recognized by the hospital community, Carrie stresses the importance of helping her neighbor.
Sometime you may need help.
And leaving a legacy behind to her 2 children, 6 grandchildren, and 1 great-grandchild.
Always do the best you can and when you can.
When talking with hospital staff, they tell me what a joy Carrie has been to the hospital over the years, especially in the office and the gift shop when helping customers, and she has recently been able to go back to the hospital to help out with the vaccination. So she's starting to slowly get back in the hospital and spend time where she loves volunteering. So it's good news for her there.
And glad to see she's getting the recognition she deserves. And I mean, volunteers in general, at the hospital there, no one's really anywhere in the tri-state. I think we found out over the last year or so when they've not been able to do so in certain places due to health concerns. It shows just how important they really are to our community. So it's great to see Carrie getting some recognition. And we just talked about it, Gretchen. Great to see that snow on the ground in our store. We were able to shoot that gone as well.
Absolutely. She's glad to be back out and about in the nice weather back at the hospital. Coming up next this Tuesday, a look at your entertainment headlines.